In India, the law says that justice should be available to everyone. But in reality, legal cases can be expensive. Hiring a lawyer and fighting a case in court may not be affordable for many people. To make sure that no person is denied justice because of lack of money, the Indian legal system provides something called free legal aid. Free legal aid means that people who cannot afford a lawyer can receive legal help without paying any fees. This includes legal advice, assistance in filing cases, and representation by a lawyer in court. The idea behind free legal aid comes from Article 39A of the Constitution of India. This article directs the government to ensure that justice is available to all citizens, especially those who are economically weaker. To make this possible, the government passed a law called the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. This law created legal aid institutions across the country. At the national level, there is the National Legal Services Authority, also known as NALSA. At the state level, there are state legal services authorities, and at the district level, there are district legal services authorities. These organizations work to provide legal help to people who need it. Free legal aid is available to several groups of people. This includes women, children, members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, persons with disabilities, industrial workers, and people with low income. It is important to know that people who are arrested or in custody also have the right to free legal aid. If a person cannot afford a lawyer, the court can arrange legal assistance through the legal services authorities. Legal aid services may include legal advice, court representation, preparation of legal documents, and help in resolving disputes through lok adalats or mediation. The purpose of free legal aid is simple. Justice should not depend on a person's financial condition. Every citizen should have the opportunity to seek justice and protect their legal rights. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.